Economics, Class 11, Chapter 1 Introduction and Chapter 2 Collection of Data. We are going to see one mark questions now. How did Alfred Marshall define economics? The study of man in the ordinary business of life. Who is a consumer? One who consumes goods and services for the satisfaction of his wants. Who is a producer? One who produces or sells goods and services for generating income. Why should goods be distributed? To make goods available everywhere. What is scarcity? Only a limited amount of resources are available which have to be used wisely or judiciously. What are resources? Source or supply from which we get benefit and that has some utility. If we don't use resources, what happens to those resources? It has alternate uses. What is economic problem? Why does it arise? It arises because of scarcity of resources. Human wants are unlimited and the resources are limited. It has to be matched judiciously or wisely. Why should we study economics? To get ability to solve real life problems. What is data? Facts or raw information? What are the two types of data? Primary and secondary data. What is primary data? Data collected directly by the observer. What is secondary data? Data already collected by someone. Give examples of primary data. Government collecting data for national census. Give examples of secondary data. Published or unpublished sources of data available online, etc. How should we use secondary data? Data collected from any online source, published or unpublished. What is saving? Income that is not spent. What is investment? Asset or item accrued with the goal of generating income. What is economic activity? Producing, distributing, trading, selling activities which generate income. What are the three important components of economics? Production, distribution and consumption. What is statistics? Discipline of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities for inferring proportions. State the importance of statistics. Economic forecasting, formulating policies, work out cause and effect relationship. State the limitations of statistics. Can be misused, not useful for individual analysis, deals with averages only. State any two disadvantage or demerit of primary data. Time consuming and costly to collect. State any two disadvantage or demerit of secondary data. It is less reliable and it has to be adjusted according to our needs. We have come to the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.